Dr. A.G. MDCAT. KPK MDCAT 2024 Full Paper. 200 questions Biology, Chemistry, Physics, English and Logical Reasoning. Read the options, answer within 5 seconds. The correct answer turns green. Note the ones you miss to revise. Let us begin. Question 1. Blank is spread through sexual contact. Option A. Gonorrhea. Option B. Influenza. Option C. Tuberculosis. Option D. Cholera. The correct answer is A. Gonorrhea. Question 2. The peptidoglycan cell wall is specific to. Option A. Amoeba. Option B. Bacteria. Option C. Protozoa. Option D. Virus. The correct answer is B. Bacteria. Question 3. The cells found in the lacuna of the bone are called. Option A. Chondrocytes. Option B. Osteoblasts. Option C. Osteoclasts. Option D. Osteocytes. The correct answer is D. Osteocytes. Question 4. Where are spindle fibers attached on a chromosome during cell division? Option A. Centromere. Option B. Histone proteins. Option C. Nucleolus. Option D. Telomere. The correct answer is A. Centromere. Question 5. The blank surrounds the muscle fiber of the skeletal muscle. Option A. Cytoplasm. Option B. Myofibrils. Option C. Endomysium. Option D. Sarcoplasm. The correct answer is C. Endomysium. Question 6. Which organelle contributes towards steroid production? Option A. Endoplasmic reticulum. Option B. Golgi apparatus. Option C. Lysosome. Option D. Ribosomes. The correct answer is A. Endoplasmic reticulum. Question 7. What happens to calcium when skeletal muscles recover from contraction? Option A. Released from the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Option B. Released from the myosin head. Option C. Pumped into the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Option D. Exchanged for sodium ions. The correct answer is C. Pumped into the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Question 8. The lysosomes found in eukaryotes contain. Option A. Hydrolytic enzymes. Option B. Meiotic enzymes. Option C. Oxidative enzymes. Option D. Mitotic enzymes. The correct answer is A. Hydrolytic enzymes. Question 9. Which of the following blood groups has anti-A and anti-B antibodies in the serum? Option A. A. Option B. AB. Option C. B. Option D. O. The correct answer is D. O. Question 10. Plasma membrane is differentially permeable due to the presence of. Option A. Carbohydrates. Option B. Lipids. Option C. Proteins. Option D. Vitamins. The correct answer is B. Lipids. Question 11. What is the primary outcome of crossing over during prophase of meiosis I? Option A. Chromosomes duplicate without any exchange of parts. Option B. Homologous chromosomes exchange different pairs leading to recombinant chromatids and increased genetic variation. Option C. Homologous chromosomes exchange identical parts, resulting in no genetic variation. Option D. Non-homologous chromosomes exchange parts. The correct answer is B. Homologous chromosomes exchange different pairs leading to recombinant chromatids and increased genetic variation. Question 12. The genetic makeup that your parents have transferred to you for your hair color makes up your. Option A. Genotype. Option B. Karyotype. Option C. Phenotype. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Genotype. Question 13. The following function overactivity is not controlled by the autonomic nervous system. Option A. Cardiac muscle contraction. Option B. Salivation. Option C. Smooth muscle contraction. Option D. Thoughts and emotions. The correct answer is D. Thoughts and emotions. Question 14. Carnivorous plants have evolved mechanisms for trapping and digesting small animals. The product of this digestion is used to supplement the plant's supply of. Option A. Carbohydrates. Option B. Lipids. Option C. Nitrates. Option D. Water. The correct answer is C. Nitrates. Question 15. A motor neuron. Option A. Carries impulse from effectors to CNS. Option B. Carries impulse from receptors to CNS. Option C. Carries impulse from CNS to muscles. Option D. Connects sensory nerves to ganglions. The correct answer is C. Carries impulse from CNS to muscles. Question 16. Which is true for an X-linked dominant trait? Option A. All female offspring of the affected father will be affected. Option B. Half of the female offspring of the affected father will be affected. Option C. No male offspring of an affected mother will be affected. Option D. No female offspring of the affected father will be affected. The correct answer is A. All female offspring of the affected father will be affected. Question 17. Diffusion of blank across the postsynaptic membrane causes it to depolarize. Option A. Calcium ions. Option B. Chloride ions. Option C. Potassium ions. Option D. Sodium ions. The correct answer is D. Sodium ions. Question 18. Malpighian tubules are found in. Option A. Earthworm. Option B. Grasshopper. Option C. Leech. Option D. Slug. The correct answer is B. Grasshopper. Question 19. A reflex action does not involve the. Option A. Brain. Option B. Motor neuron. Option C. Sensory neuron. Option D. Spinal cord. The correct answer is A. Brain. Question 20. What directly triggers the activation of natural killer cells? Option A. Free radicals. Option B. hydrogen peroxide. Option C, interference. Option D, oxygen. The correct answer is C, interference. Question 21. What happens to the enzyme after an enzyme catalyzed reaction? Option A, reduced to inactive form. Option B, becomes inert. Option C, changes into substrate. Option D, used for another reaction. The correct answer is D, used for another reaction. Question 22. Catalase can be activated at pH. Option A, 1. Option B, 3. Option C, 5. Option D, 7. The correct answer is D, 7. Question 23. Sharks belong to class. Option A, Chondrichthyes. Option B, Osteichthyes. Option C, Urochordata. Option D, Coelenterata. The correct answer is A, Chondrichthyes. Question 24. Which of the following is not true about plasmids found in Streptococcus? Option A, carry fewer genes than the chromosome. Option B, replicate autonomously from the chromosome. Option C, they are considered as genetic elements. Option D, the bacterial chromosome depends on plasmids for replication. The correct answer is D, the bacterial chromosome depends on plasmids for replication. Question 25. Enzymatic activity can be inhibited by? Option A, heavy metal ions. Option B, light. Option C, acid. Option D, base. The correct answer is A, heavy metal ions. Question 26. Canal system is a characteristic of? Option A, cnidarians. Option B, protozoans. Option C, porifera. Option D, segmented worms. The correct answer is C, porifera. Question 27. Which of the following bacteria produces endospores? Option A, both gram-negative and positive bacteria. Option B, gram-negative. Option C, gram-positive. Option D, mycobacteria. The correct answer is C, gram-positive. Question 28. When inhibitor compete with substrate for active site, it is? Option A, non-competitive inhibition. Option B, competitive inhibition. Option C, irreversible inhibition. Option D, allosteric inhibition. The correct answer is B, competitive inhibition. Question 29. Mantle is the feature of? Option A, annelids. Option B, arthropods. Option C, echinoderms. Option D, mollusks. The correct answer is D, mollusks. Question 30. Wings of birds and that of flying lizards provide evidence of? Option A, convergent evolution. Option B, divergent evolution. Option C, no evolution. Option D, same origin. The correct answer is A, convergent evolution. Question 31. The production of energy is Option A, faster in anaerobic respiration. Option B, faster in aerobic respiration. Option C, the same in both types of respiration. Option D, not associated with respiration. The correct answer is A, faster in anaerobic respiration. Question 32. The embryological stages of blank show similarity in anatomical features. Option A, all living things. Option B, all non-vertebrates. Option C, all vertebrates. Option D, human, jellyfish, and mouse. The correct answer is C, all vertebrates. Question 33. The pathway to the breakdown of glucose, carried out by microorganism, is called. Option A, lactic acid fermentation. Option B, alcoholic fermentation. Option C, cellular respiration. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is B, alcoholic fermentation. Question 34. Blank is used in the production of humulin. Option A, fungi. Option B, bacteria. Option C, protozoa. Option D, virus. The correct answer is B, bacteria. Question 35. Which enzyme is secreted in the active form? Option A, amylase. Option B, lipase. Option C, peptidase. Option D, protease. The correct answer is A, amylase. Question 36. Chromosome is typically made up from a combination of Option A, DNA and protein. Option B, DNA and RNA. Option C, RNA and lipids. Option D, RNA and proteins. The correct answer is A, DNA and protein. Question 37. Which of the following does not relate to smooth muscles? Option A, controlled by the autonomic nervous system. Option B, have spindle-shaped cells. Option C, line the wall of the heart. Option D, lack striations. The correct answer is C, line the wall of the heart. Question 38. Which cytoplasmic organelle makes their own proteins? Option A, chromosomes. Option B, Golgi apparatus. Option C, mitochondria. Option D, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The correct answer is C, mitochondria. Question 39. Which hormone stimulates the secretion of gastric juice? Option A, cholecystokinin. Option B, gastrin. Option C, insulin. Option D, secretin. The correct answer is B, gastrin. Question 40. Which term best describes an organism's physical characteristics? Option A, allele. Option B, genetic code. Option C, genotype. Option D, trait. The correct answer is D, trait. Question 41. The active movement of mitochondria in the cytoplasm is due to Option A, cyclosis. Option B, endoplasmic streaming movements. Option C, Golgi apparatus. Option D. Transfer RNA. The correct answer is A. Cyclosis. Question 42. In an inflammatory response, bradykinin causes. Option A. Activation of natural killer cells. Option B. Blockage in blood vessels. Option C. Constriction of blood vessels. Option D. Dilation of blood vessels. The correct answer is D. Dilation of blood vessels. Question 43. What will happen with the addition of salt to water? Option A. Water potential will increase. Option B. Water potential will not remain the same due to addition of solute, hence this option is incorrect. Option C. Osmotic potential will increase. Option D. Osmotic potential will remain the same. The correct answer is C. Osmotic potential will increase. Question 44. Which part of the brain is controlling your sense of balance? Option A. Amygdala. Option B. Cerebellum. Option C. Hippocampus. Option D. Medulla oblongata. The correct answer is B. Cerebellum. Question 45. Which of the following is an example of passive immunity? Option A. Antibodies from mother's milk. Option B. Previous chickenpox infection. Option C. Inactivated polio vaccine. Option D. Live polio vaccine. The correct answer is A. Antibodies from mother's milk. Question 46. The neurotransmitter blank is hydrolyzed by monoamine oxidase. Option A. Acetylcholine. Option B. Adrenaline. Option C. Serotonin. Option D. Glutamate. The correct answer is B. Adrenaline. Question 47. A bacteria without flagella is called. Option A. Amphitrachus. Option B. Atrachus. Option C. Lophotrachus. Option D. Peritrachus. The correct answer is B. Atrachus. Question 48. Most of the neurons in the CNS are. Option A. Bipolar. Option B. Multipolar. Option C. Pseudo-unipolar. Option D. Unipolar. The correct answer is B. Multipolar. Question 49. Which of the following is not true about viruses? Option A. Contain DNA. Option B. Can replicate on their own. Option C. Can infect bacteria. Option D. They have a subcellular structure. The correct answer is B. Can replicate on their own. Question 50. Antibiotics can be used against. Option A. Herpes simplex. Option B. Influenza. Option C. Polio. Option D. Salmonella typhi. The correct answer is D. Salmonella typhi. Question 51. The genetic code is bound by a lipid membrane in. Option A. Enterovirus. Option B. Hepatitis A virus. Option C. Flu virus. Option D. Poliovirus. The correct answer is C. flu virus. Question 52. How do enzymes enable the conversion of substrates into products by? Option A. Changing equilibrium in the direction of the substrate. Option B. Increase deactivation energy. Option C. Increase the substrate concentration. Option D. Lowering deactivation energy. The correct answer is D. Lowering deactivation energy. Question 53. The blank in semen facilitate the transport of sperms. Option A. Androgen. Option B. Prostaglandins. Option C. Oxytocin. Option D. Testosterone. The correct answer is B. Prostaglandins. Question 54. The process of ATP synthesis through a combination of chemical and osmotic events is known as. Option A. Fermentation. Option B. Glycolysis. Option C. Oxidative phosphorylation. Option D. Oxidation of pyruvate to acetyl-CoA. The correct answer is C. Oxidative phosphorylation. Question 55. Acidity of urine is neutralized by. Option A. Cowper's gland. Option B. Prostate gland. Option C. Seminal vesicle. Option D. Vas deferens. The correct answer is A. Cowper's gland. Question 56. According to Lamarckism, the basis of evolution is. Option A. Inheritance of acquired characteristics. Option B. Mutation. Option C. Natural selection. Option D. Survival of the fittest. The correct answer is A. Inheritance of acquired characteristics. Question 57. Where are the enzymes required for the replication of HIV found? Option A. Surrounding the viral core. Option B. Inside the capsid. Option C. In the protein spikes. Option D. Outside the capsid. The correct answer is B. Inside the capsid. Question 58. The corpus luteum is essentially formed from. Option A. Graafian follicle. Option B. Ovum. Option C. Oogonium. Option D. Oocyte. The correct answer is A. Graafian follicle. Question 59. What best describes the hind leg bones seen in the baleen whale? Option A. Analogous to the fin of living fish. Option B. Fossil structure from an extinct animal. Option C. Homologous structure of the wings of a bat. Option D. Vestigial structures that had a function in an ancestor. The correct answer is D. Vestigial structures that had a function in an ancestor. Question 60. The outer layer of uterus is called as. Option A. Endometrium. Option B. Myometrium. Option C. Mesometrium. Option D. Perimetrium. The correct answer is D. Perimetrium. Question 61. Which is true about the cells found in gastric glands lining the stomach wall? Option A. Chief cells secrete intrinsic factor. Option B. Parietal cells secrete pepsinogen. Option C. Parietal cells secrete intrinsic factor. Option D. Hormonal secretions activate the stomach lining. The correct answer is C. Parietal cells secrete intrinsic factor. Question 62. Viruses cannot. Option A. Crystallize. Option B. Mutate. Option C. Excrete. Option D. Infect bacteria. The correct answer is C. Excrete. Question 63. Optimum pH for pancreatic lipase is Option A 2, Option B 4, Option C 6, Option D 8. The correct answer is D 8. Question 64. Sugarcane contains underscore. Option A fructose. Option B glucose. Option C sucrose. Option D ribose. The correct answer is C sucrose. Question 65. Sickle cell anemia results from Option A reduction in oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin. Option B linkage between the polypeptide chains in the hemoglobin molecule. Option C single amino acid substitution in the hemoglobin molecule. Option D viral infections of RNA viruses. The correct answer is C. Single amino acid substitution in the hemoglobin molecule. Question 66. What is the ester of fatty acids and long-chain alcohol called? Option A. Phospholipid. Option B. Glycerol. Option C. Acylglycerol. Option D. Wax. The correct answer is D. Wax. Question 67. Which is incorrect about the globular proteins? Option A are spherical in shape. Option B soluble in water. Option C abundantly found in hair. Option D have polypeptide chains. The correct answer is C. Abundantly found in hair. Question 68. Lipids, which do not contain fatty acid are Option A. Phosphatidic acids. Option B. Steroids. Option C. Waxes. Option D. Neutral lipids. The correct answer is B. Steroids. Question 69. Which one of the following molecules has zero dipole moment? Option A. Ammonia. Option B. NF3. Option C. BF3. Option D. Water. The correct answer is C. BF3. Question 70. The unhybridized p orbital in sp2 hybridization is Option A. Parallel to sp2 orbitals. Option B. In the same plane as sp2 orbitals. Option C. Perpendicular to sp2 orbitals. Option D. Out of the plane of sp2 orbitals. The correct answer is C. Perpendicular to sp2 orbitals. Question 71. 760 torr is equal to Pascal. Option A. 1. Option B. 76. Option C. 760. Option D. 10132.5. The correct answer is D. 10132.5. Question 72. How many grams of carbon dioxide can be produced by thermally decomposing 10 moles of ZnCO3? Option A, 320. Option B, 360. Option C, 400. Option D, 440. The correct answer is D, 440. Question 73. The homolytic fission of CH bond in an alkane result in Option A, alkyl free radical. Option B, carbanion. Option C, carbocation. Option D, methylpropane. The correct answer is A, alkyl free radical. Question 74. Addition of HBr to isobutylene mainly gives Option A, isobutyl bromide. Option B, N-butyl bromide. Option C, sec-butyl bromide. Option D, tert-butyl bromide. The correct answer is D, tert-butyl bromide. Question 75. Dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide is carried out in presence of Option A, Zn dust. Option B, conc. Sulfuric acid. Option C, alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Option D, aqueous potassium hydroxide. The correct answer is C, alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Question 76. The pK of N-propylamine is Option A, 3.24. Option B, 3.28. Option C, 3.32. Option D, 3.35. The correct answer is C, 3.32. Question 77. The carbon atom carrying positive charge and attached to 3 other atoms or group is called Option A, carbocation. Option B, carbanion. Option C, oxonium ion. Option D, carbene. The correct answer is A, carbocation. Question 78. Which of the following has the highest boiling point? Option A, ethyl alcohol. Option B, isopropyl alcohol. Option C, N-propyl alcohol. Option D, tert-butyl alcohol. The correct answer is C, N-propyl alcohol. Question 79. The reaction of alcohol with sodium produces Option A, ethane. Option B, alkoxide. Option C, ethene. Option D, aldehyde. The correct answer is B, alkoxide. Question 80. Molar heat of vaporization of water is Option A, 40.7 calories over mole. Option B, 40.7 joules per mole. Option C, 40.7 kilocalories over mole. Option D, 40.7 kilojoules per mole. The correct answer is D, 40.7 kilojoules per mole. Question 81. Oxidation of secondary alcohol gives Option A, carboxylic acid. Option B, ether. Option C, ketone. Option D, phenol. The correct answer is C, ketone. Question 82. Which of the following elements cannot be detected directly in a given organic compound? Option A, chlorine. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, oxygen. Option D, phosphorus. The correct answer is C, oxygen. Question 83. Pyridine belongs to which class of organic compounds? Option A, heterocyclic. Option B, hydrocarbon. Option C, alicyclic. Option D, homocyclic. The correct answer is A, heterocyclic. Question 84. Name of ketone functional group is? Option A, amino. Option B, carbonyl. Option C, carboxyl. Option D, formyl. The correct answer is B, carbonyl. Question 85. Potassium ferrocyanide is A. Option A, normal salt. Option B, mixed salt. Option C, double salt. Option D, complex salt. The correct answer is D, complex salt. Question 86. Cu2 plus salt solution is blue in color due to transition of electrons from Option A, D to D orbital. Option B, P to D orbital. Option C, P to P orbital. Option D, S to P orbital. The correct answer is A, D to D orbital. Question 87. Third period element that initially reacts rapidly with oxygen to form a protective oxide coating that prevents further reactions is Option A, Al. Option B, Mg. Option C, Na. Option D, C. The correct answer is A, Al. Question 88. Which of the following alkali metal forms only normal oxide with oxygen? Option A, K. Option B, Li. Option C, Na. Option D, Rb. The correct answer is B, Li. Question 89. Electronegativity of Al is approximately equal to that of Option A, B. Option B, B. Option C, Mg. Option D, Na. The correct answer is B, B. Question 90. The electrode potential of the standard hydrogen electrode is chosen as Option A, -1 volt. Option B, 0 volt. Option C, 1 volt. Option D, 2 volt. The correct answer is B, 0 volt. Question 91. When 4G of magnesium was heated in excess of oxygen, calculate the theoretical yield of magnesium oxide MgO. Option A, 3.7 G. Option B, 4.2 G. Option C, 5.4 G. Option D, 6.6 G. The correct answer is D, 6.6 G. Question 92. Which one of the following is a strong electrolyte in solution? Option A, acetic acid. Option B, ammonium hydroxide. Option C, carbonic acid. Option D, potassium iodide. The correct answer is D, potassium iodide. Question 93. The heat of sublimation of potassium is 98 kilojoules per mole. The heat of dissociation of bromine gas is 192.5 kilojoules per mole. The ionization energy of K is 414 kilojoules per mole. The electron affinity of Br minus 334.7 kilojoules per mole and the heat of formation of Kbr is minus 405.8 kilojoules per mole. Calculate the lattice energy of Kbr. Option A, minus 679.3. Option B, minus 669.5. Option C, 669.5. Option D, 679.3. The correct answer is A, minus 679.3. Question 94. Delta H can be measured indirectly by applying. Option A, Avogadro's law. Option B, Faraday's law. Option C, Gass's law. Option D, Hess's law. The correct answer is D, Hess's law. Question 95. One slice of bread with a tablespoon of peanut butter on it contains 20 g carbohydrate, 10 g protein, and 9 g fat. Calculate total energy consumed in this intake. Option A, 158 kilocalories. Option B, 173 kilocalories. Option C, 201 kilocalories. Option D, 218 kilocalories. The correct answer is C, 201 kilocalories. Question 96. When 1 mole of ice melts at 0 degrees and constant pressure of 1 atmosphere, 6025 joule of heat is absorbed by the system. The molar volume of ice and water are 0.020 and 0.018 decimeter cube, respectively. Calculate delta E. 1 decimeter cube ATM equals 101.33 joule. Option A, 6010.20 joule. Option B, 6015.20 joule. Option C, 6020.20 joule. Option D, 6025.20 joule. The correct answer is D, 6025.20 joule. Question 97. Calculate the work done when 1 mole of an ideal gas expands from 15 decimeter cube to 20 decimeter cube against a constant external pressure of 2 atmospheres. Option A, minus 10 atm. Decimeter cube. Option B, minus 5 atm. Decimeter cube. Option C, 5 atm. Decimeter cube. Option D, 10 atm. Decimeter cube. The correct answer is A, minus 10 atm. Decimeter cube. Question 98. What mass of aluminium oxide is produced from 18.5 g of Al metal when it reacts completely with oxygen gas according to the following equation? 4 Al S plus 302 g minus 2 aluminium oxide is. Option A, 30.8 g. Option B, 32.6 g. Option C, 34.9 g. Option D, 36.5 g. The correct answer is C, 34.9 g. Question 99. A reaction is first order with respect to A and second order with respect to B. The rate equation is. Option A, rate equals K open bracket A close bracket open bracket B close bracket 2. Option B, rate equals K open bracket A close bracket 2 open bracket B close bracket. Option C, Rate equals K open bracket A close bracket open bracket B close bracket. Option D. Rate equals K open bracket A close bracket. The correct answer is A. Rate equals K open bracket A close bracket open bracket B close bracket 2. Question 100. For a first-order reaction AB, the rate constant is 0.0458 S1. Calculate rate of the reaction if the concentration of reactant is 0.35 moles dm3. Option A, 0.012 moles dm3 S1. Option B, 0.014 moles dm3 S1. Option C, 0.016 moles dm3 S1. Option D, 0.018 moles dm3 S1. The correct answer is C, 0.016 moles dm3 S1. Question 101. The unit of Kc for the system phosphorus pentachloride minus phosphorus trichloride plus chlorine is. Option A, decimeter cube over mole. Option B, mole over decimeter cube. Option C, mole over dm6. Option D, mole 2 over dm6. The correct answer is B, mole over decimeter cube. Question 102. Distillation under very reduced pressure is distillation. Option A, destructive. Option B, steam. Option C, fractional. Option D, vacuum. The correct answer is D, vacuum. Question 103. Which aldehyde is more reactive towards nucleophilic addition? Option A, formaldehyde. Option B, acetaldehyde. Option C, butyraldehyde. Option D, propionaldehyde. The correct answer is A, formaldehyde. Question 104. Acetic acid can be prepared by the hydrolysis of. Option A, ethanol. Option B, ethanol. Option C, methanoic acid. Option D, methyl cyanide. The correct answer is D, methyl cyanide. Question 105. Protein present in hemoglobin has blank structure. Option A, primary. Option B, secondary. Option C, tertiary. Option D, quaternary. The correct answer is D, quaternary. Question 106. In competitive inhibition, the inhibitor. Option A, binds with substrate. Option B, competes with enzyme. Option C, competes with substrate. Option D, irreversibly binds with enzyme. The correct answer is C, competes with substrate. Question 107. How many moles are there in 60 g of sodium hydroxide? Sodium hydroxide? Option A, 1.5. Option B, 4. Option C, 6. Option D, 8. The correct answer is A, 1.5. Question 108. Heating 24.8 g of copper carbonate CuCO3 in a crucible produced only 13.9 g of copper oxide CO. What is the percentage yield of copper oxide? Option A, 81.79%. Option B, 83.98%. Option C, 86.87%. Option D, 89.68%. The correct answer is C, 86.87%. Question 109. Efficiency of chemical reaction can be checked by calculating. Option A, actual yield. Option B, theoretical yield. Option C, percentage yield. Option D, amount of the reactant unused. The correct answer is C, percentage yield. Question 110. The example of metallic solid is Option A, B, Option B, C, Option C, Cu. Option D, C. The correct answer is C, Cu. Question 111. Actual yield will reach the ideal theoretical value if the percent yield of the reaction is Option A, 10%. Option B, 50%. Option C, 90%. Option D, 100%. The correct answer is D, 100%. Question 112. Which of the following subshell does not exist? Option A, 1p. Option B, 5d. Option C, 7f. Option D, 1s. The correct answer is A, 1p. Question 113. When a crystalline substance conducts current in one direction but not through other directions of the crystal, the property is Option A, allotropy. Option B, anisotropy. Option C, isomorphism. Option D, polymorphism. The correct answer is B, anisotropy. Question 114. The splitting of spectral lines in magnetic field is called Option A, Stark effect. Option B, Seeman effect. Option C, Aufbau principle. Option D, Pauli's exclusion principle. The correct answer is B, Seeman effect. Question 115. Which element has the electronic configuration of noble gas notation open bracket Kr close bracket 5s2 4d2? Option A, Mo. Option B, Se. Option C, Sister. Option D, Zr. The correct answer is D, Zr. Question 116. Total number of electron pairs present in the valence shell of central atom in water are Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. Option D, 5. The correct answer is C, 4. Question 117. Forward reaction is the one that Option A is very slow at the beginning of the reaction. Option B reacts to form reactants. Option C speeds up gradually and at equilibrium its rate becomes constant. Option D takes place from left to right as given in chemical equation. The correct answer is D, takes place from left to right as given in chemical equation. Question 118. What is the mass of 1 mole of calcium carbonate? Option A, 50 g. Option B, 75 G. Option C, 100 G. Option D, 125 G. The correct answer is C, 100 G. Question 119. Which one of the following molecules has a pyramidal structure? Option A, methane. Option B, ammonia. Option C, water. Option D, ethene. The correct answer is B, ammonia. Question 120. How many moles of sodium chloride are produced from 16.5 G of HCl according to the neutralization reaction K plus sodium hydroxide sodium chloride plus water I? Option A, 0.252. Option B, 0.452. Option C, 0.652. Option D, 0.852. The correct answer is B, 0.452. Question 121. In the production of sulfur trioxide from sulfur dioxide and oxygen, the yield of sulfur trioxide is increased by: Option A, adding a catalyst. Option B, adding more sulfur dioxide. Option C, increasing temperature. Option D, removing oxygen. The correct answer is B, adding more sulfur dioxide. Question 122. Consider N squared plus 3 hydrogen G minus 2 ammonia G delta H equals minus 92.46 kJ over mole. Optimum temperature C to produce ammonia is: Option A, 0. Option B, 450. Option C, 5000. Option D, constant temperature. The correct answer is B, 450. Question 123. For a positive charged particle Q moving with a velocity v in a magnetic field of flux density B, the force F acting on the charged particle is given by the expression: Option A, Q equals Fv into B. Option B, F equals Qb into B. Option C, F equals V into B over Q. Option D, Q equals V into B over F. The correct answer is B, F equals Qb into B. Question 124. The direction of induced current is determined: Option A, Ampere's law. Option B, Faraday's law. Option C, Lenz's law. Option D, Ohm's law. The correct answer is C, Lenz's law. Question 125. Which type of waves can be polarized? Option A, longitudinal waves. Option B, mechanical waves. Option C, sound waves. Option D, transverse waves. The correct answer is D, transverse waves. Question 126. Lenz's law is consistent with the: Option A, Ampere's law. Option B, Faraday's law. Option C, law of conservation of energy. Option D, Ohm's law. The correct answer is C, law of conservation of energy. Question 127. The basic principle behind the operation of the transformer is: Option A, Coulomb's law. Option B, electromagnetic induction. Option C, Gauss's law. Option D, Hess's law. The correct answer is B. Electromagnetic induction. Question 128. When the PN junction is reverse biased, its reverse current is of the order of Option A. Gigamperes. Option B. Kiloamperes. Option C. Megaamperes. Option D. Microamperes. The correct answer is D. Microamperes. Question 129. For longitudinal waves. Option A. The particles of the medium oscillate perpendicular to the wave's propagation. Option B. The particles of the medium remain stationary as the wave passes through. Option C. The particles of the medium oscillate along the direction of the wave's propagation. Option D. Their velocity is enhanced when they travel through vacuum. The correct answer is C. The particles of the medium oscillate along the direction of the wave's propagation. Question 130. According to the principle of superimposition, when two or more waves overlap at a point in space, the amplitude of the resultant wave at that point is Option A. Always 0. Option B. The product of the individual wave amplitude. Option C. The product of the frequencies of the individual waves. Option D. The sum of the amplitudes of the individual waves. The correct answer is D. The sum of the amplitudes of the individual waves. Question 131. The speed of sound in a medium containing ideal gas is not dependent on Option A. Density. Option B. Moisture. Option C. Pressure. Option D. Temperature. The correct answer is C. Pressure. Question 132. A tuning fork having angular frequency equal 440 Hz produces sound waves which travel with the speed of 340 meters per second. What is the separation between a compression and the adjacent rarefaction of the sound waves? Option A. 0.57 m. Option B. 0.38 m. Option C. 0.77 m. Option D. 0.87 m. The correct answer is B. 0.38 m. Question 133. The momentum of moving photon is Option A. mc squared. Option B. I over h. Option C. h over lambda. Option D. 0. The correct answer is C. h over lambda. Question 134. A police car, with its siren on, is moving towards a stationary listener. How does the stationary listener receive the frequency of the sound emitted by the siren? It Option A. Decreases. Option B. Increases. Option C. Stays the same. Option D. Varies randomly. The correct answer is B. Increases. Question 135. In every instant of time, wavelength associated with a freely falling body. Option A. Decreases. Option B. Increases 2 times. Option C. Increases 4 times. Option D. Remains constant. The correct answer is A. Decreases. Question 136. In an adiabatic process, how does the temperature of a gas change as its volume decreases? Option A. The temperature decreases. Option B. the temperature increases. Option C, the temperature remains constant. Option D, temperature increases first then decreases. The correct answer is B, the temperature increases. Question 137. As per second photoelectric experiment, photoelectric effect does not occur if the frequency of the incident light is Option A, below the threshold frequency. Option B, equals the threshold frequency. Option C, 3 times the threshold frequency. Option D, twice the threshold frequency. The correct answer is A, below the threshold frequency. Question 138. During an isothermal expansion of an ideal gas, which of the following statement is true? Option A, pressure and temperature of the gas increase. Option B, the internal energy of the gas increases. Option C, the temperature of the gas remains constant. Option D, the work done by the gas is zero. The correct answer is C, the temperature of the gas remains constant. Question 139. If an electron in the hydrogen atom jumps from second to first orbit, the emitted radiation has a wavelength of Option A, 4 over 3 Rh. Option B, 3 over 4 Rh. Option C, Rh. Option D, 4 Rh. The correct answer is A, 4 over 3 Rh. Question 140. Consider an ideal gas confined to the cylinder with a fixed piston. On heating the gas, all the heat supplied increases. Option A, kinetic energy of the molecules. Option B, potential energy of the molecules. Option C, the intermolecular forces between gas molecules. Option D, the number of gas molecules. The correct answer is A, kinetic energy of the molecules. Question 141. Black body is an ideal radiator that radiates at all wavelengths. Option A, inconsistently. Option B, distantly. Option C, equally. Option D, unequally. The correct answer is C, equally. Question 142. What is the increase in force between two charges if the separation between them is decreased by 50%? Option A, becomes 4 times. Option B, doubles. Option C, increases by half. Option D, triples. The correct answer is A, becomes 4 times. Question 143. Mass number A refers to Option A, number of electrons. Option B, number of nucleons. Option C, number of neutrons. Option D, number of protons. The correct answer is B, number of nucleons. Question 144. According to Coulomb's law, what happens to the electrostatic force between the 2-point charges if the distance between them is doubled? Option A, the force becomes 1/4. Option B, the force becomes half. Option C, the force doubles. Option D, the force remains the same. The correct answer is A, the force becomes 1/4. Question 145. A wheel makes 3 complete revolutions. What is the total number of radians through which a point on wheel has rotated? Option A, 2 pi. Option B, 3 pi. Option C, 6 pi. Option D, 9 pi. The correct answer is C, 6 pi. Question 146. Lambda is a constant. Option A, decay. Option B, dielectric. Option C, Planck's. Option D, proportionality. The correct answer is A, decay. Question 147. For rigid body that rotates about a fixed axis, the angle swept out by a line passing through any point on the body and intersecting the axis of rotation perpendicularly is called? Option A, angular acceleration. Option B, angular displacement. Option C, angular momentum. Option D, angular velocity. The correct answer is B, angular displacement. Question 148. What does one coulomb represent in terms of charge? Option A, the amount of charge transported by a current of 1 ampere in 1 second. Option B, the charge of 1 proton. Option C, the charge of 1 electron. Option D, the charge required to create a force of 1 Newton between two charges separated by 1 meter. The correct answer is A, the amount of charge transported by a current of 1 ampere in 1 second. Question 149. 2 points charges plus 5 micro C and minus 5 micro C are placed at points A and B, respectively, which are separated by a distance to D. What is the electric potential at the midpoint M of the line joining A and B? Option A, 2 kq over D. Option B, kq over D. Option C, minus kq over D. Option D, 0. The correct answer is D, 0. Question 150. Gamma ray camera can observe radiations from the that are concentrated in the organs. Option A, atoms. Option B, isotopes. Option C, nucleons. Option D, neutrons. The correct answer is B, isotopes. Question 151. In a rotating spaceship, to produce artificial gravity, what does the centripetal force do? Option A, has no effect inside the spaceship. Option B, increases spaceship's rotation. Option C, pulls objects towards the center. Option D, pushes the objects towards the outer wall. The correct answer is D, pushes the objects towards the outer wall. Question 152. In the case of a parallel plate capacitor, when the distance between the two plates is reduced to half and the area of the plate doubled, the capacitance. Option A, increases 4 times. Option B, increases 6 times. Option C, is doubled. Option D, remains the same. The correct answer is A, increases 4 times. Question 153. A car is moving in a circular path at a constant speed. What provides the necessary centripetal force to keep the car moving in this path? Option A, the car's inertia resisting any change in direction. Option B, the car's mass pulling it towards the center of the circle. Option C, the engine's power pushing the car forward. Option D, the friction between the tires and the road. The correct answer is D, the friction between the tires and the road. Question 154. If the dielectric material between the plates of the capacitor is removed, what happens to the electric field between the plates? Option A, the electric field becomes zero. Option B, the electric field decreases. Option C, the electric field increases. Option D, the electric field remains the same. The correct answer is C, the electric field increases. Question 155. Capacitance of a capacitor increases with a decrease in. Option A, dielectric constant. Option B, plate area. Option C, permittivity. Option D, plate separation. The correct answer is D, plate separation. Question 156. The IV graph for a non-ohmic material is always. Option A, curved. Option B, horizontal. Option C, linear. Option D, perpendicular. The correct answer is A, curved. Question 157. Which of the following pairs correctly matches a physical quantity with its SL unit? Option A, energy, Newton. Option B, force minus joule. Option C, power minus joule. Option D, velocity minus meters per second. The correct answer is D, velocity minus meters per second. Question 158. Temperature coefficient of resistance is defined as increase in resistance per ohm original resistance per. Option A, degree rise in temperature. Option B, unit increase in electric current. Option C, unit decrease in capacitance. Option D, degree drop in temperature. The correct answer is A, degree rise in temperature. Question 159. For metals, the temperature coefficient of resistance is. Option A, infinity. Option B, negative. Option C, positive. Option D, 0. The correct answer is C, positive. Question 160. If R1 and R squared are respectively the filament resistance of a 100-watt bulb and 200-watt bulb designed to operate on the same voltage, then resistance of. Option A, R1 is 2 times R squared. Option B, R squared is 2 times R1. Option C, R squared is 4 times R1. Option D, R1 is 4 times R squared. The correct answer is A, R1 is 2 times R squared. Question 161. The maximum power transfer theorem states that maximum power is delivered to the load when. Option A, the load resistance is half of the source resistance. Option B, the load resistance is 0. Option C, the load resistance is double the source resistance. Option D, the load resistance is equal to the source resistance. The correct answer is D, the load resistance is equal to the source resistance. Question 162. Electron volt is another unit of. Option A, charge. Option B, current. Option C, energy. Option D, power. The correct answer is C, energy. Question 163. An electron is moving perpendicular to the magnetic field. Which of the following is correct statement about electromagnetic force acting on the electron? Option A, force acting is equal to electron charge. Option B, force acting is equal to the magnetic field strength. Option C, force acting is maximum. Option D, zero force is acting on it. The correct answer is C, force acting is maximum. Question 164. Is the natural tendency of an object to remain at rest or in motion with constant velocity? Option A, friction. Option B, inertia. Option C, mass. Option D, weight. The correct answer is B, inertia. Question 165. A car in motion hits and gets crashed into a tree trunk. What is not conserved? Option A, kinetic energy alone. Option B, momentum alone. Option C, momentum and kinetic energy both. Option D, neither kinetic energy nor momentum. The correct answer is A, kinetic energy alone. Question 166. The vertical and horizontal component of the projectile motion are: Option A, correlated with each other. Option B, dependent on each other. Option C, independent of each other. Option D, associated with each other. The correct answer is C, independent of each other. Question 167. A ball is kicked horizontally from the top of a high cliff with an initial speed of 15 meters per second. After 2 seconds, which of the following statement describes the ball's horizontal and vertical components? Option A, the horizontal velocity is 15 meters per second while vertical velocity is 20 meters per second downwards. Option B, the horizontal velocity is 15 meters per second while vertical velocity is 15 meters per second downwards. Option C, the horizontal velocity is 30 meters per second while vertical velocity is 20 meters per second downwards. Option D, the horizontal velocity is 15 meters per second while vertical velocity is 0 meters per second. The correct answer is A. The horizontal velocity is 15 meters per second while vertical velocity is 20 meters per second downwards. Question 168. How does an angle between the force applied the direction of motion influence the work done or object? Option A, work is constant regardless of the angle. Option B, work is maximum when the angle is 0 degrees. Option C, work is negative when the angle is 90 degrees. Option D, work is 0 when the angle is 45 degrees. The correct answer is B. Work is maximum when the angle is 0 degrees. Question 169. A nurse is pushing a wheelchair with an 80 kilograms patient sitting on it. How much work is done by the patient's weight? Option A, half of the work. Option B, maximum work. Option C, minimum work. Option D, no work. The correct answer is D. No work. Question 170. If a constant force of 10 Newton is applied to move a object 5 m in the direction of the force, what is the work done? Option A, 2 joule. Option B, 5 joule. Option C, 15 joule. Option D, 50 joule. The correct answer is D, 50 joule. Question 171. What happens when two waves of the same frequency and amplitude meet in phase? Option A, they cancel each other out resulting in a destructive interference. Option B, they combine to form a wave double the amplitude, resulting in constructive interference. Option C, they produce a wave with zero amplitude. Option D, they produce a wave with the same amplitude as the individual waves. The correct answer is B. They combine to form a wave double the amplitude, resulting in constructive interference. Question 172. Which of the following statement is true about the magnetic field inside a solenoid? Option A, it is along the axis of the coil. Option B, it is circular around the wires. Option C, it is strongest at the ends of the solenoid. Option D, it is zero when current flows through it. The correct answer is A, it is along the axis of the coil. Question 173. 1 meter long copper rod is moving with speed 20 meters over sec in the magnetic field of strength 0.6 Tesla. What is the value of induced EMF? Option A, 12 volt. Option B, 19.4 volt. Option C, 20.6 volt. Option D, 25 volt. The correct answer is A, 12 volt. Question 174. The inductance of a coil depends on Option A, number of turns. Option B, resistance of the wire used. Option C, type of insulation used on the wire. Option D, voltage applied to the coil. The correct answer is A, number of turns. Question 175. The escape velocity of a body in the gravitational field of Earth is dependent on Option A, angle on which it is thrown. Option B, both mass of the body and the angle at which it is thrown. Option C, mass of Earth. Option D, mass of the body. The correct answer is C, mass of Earth. Question 176. When the mass of a body moving along a circle becomes half and radius becomes double, and V is constant, the centripetal force becomes Option A, double. Option B, half. Option C, 1/4. Option D, remains same. The correct answer is C, 1/4. Question 177. Find out synonym of elated. Option A, confused. Option B, nervous. Option C, overjoyed. Option D, disappointed. The correct answer is C, overjoyed. Question 178. Despite the complicated situation, she remained calmly assessing her options before deciding. Fill in the blank with the appropriate choice. Option A, composed. Option B, frantic. Option C, hysterical. Option D, erratic. The correct answer is A, composed. Question 179. Read the following passage to answer the given question. The detective noticed a subtle change in the suspect's tone when he asked about his whereabouts on the night of the crime, which hinted at something more significant. What does subtle most likely mean? Option A, notable. Option B, slight. Option C, dramatic. Option D, obvious. The correct answer is B, slight. Question 180. A person who sells goods and services is A underscore. Option A, consumer. Option B, purchaser. Option C, patron. Option D, vendor. The correct answer is D, vendor. Question 181. Which of the following words is a synonym for meticulous? Option A, abhorrent. Option B, heedless. Option C, precise. Option D, incautious. The correct answer is C, precise. Question 182. Read the following passage to answer the given question. Regular exercise has been shown to improve overall health by reducing the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes. Additionally, exercise enhances mental well-being by reducing stress, anxiety, and depression. Despite these benefits, many people find it challenging to maintain a consistent exercise routine due to busy schedules and a lack of motivation. Based on the paragraph, which of the following statements can be inferred? Option A, busy schedules and lack of motivation are barriers to regular exercise. Option B, chronic diseases cannot be prevented by regular exercise. Option C, exercise is only beneficial for physical health, not mental health. Option D, people who exercise regularly never experience stress or anxiety. The correct answer is A, busy schedules and lack of motivation are barriers to regular exercise. Question 183. Blueprint is to architect as algorithm is to underscore. Option A, designer. Option B, engineer. Option C, physician. Option D, programmer. The correct answer is D, programmer. Question 184. The most appropriate word to be filled in is, order is the law of civilization as chaos is the law of the underscore. Option A, city. Option B, universe. Option C, wilderness. Option D, metropolis. The correct answer is C, wilderness. Question 185. Identify the error in the sentence. The chef quickly prepared, delicious and it served a meal. Option A, punctuation. Option B, style. Option C, vocabulary. Option D, word order. The correct answer is D, word order. Question 186. Identify the sentence that contains an error in word order, style, or vocabulary. Option A, he has a talent for solving complex problems. Option B, she enjoys reading, writing, and to paint. Option C, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Option D, they quickly adapted to the new environment. The correct answer is B. She enjoys reading, writing, and to paint. Question 187. He has been working blank this project for weeks. Option A, at. Option B, by. Option C, to. Option D, on. The correct answer is D, on. Question 188. Fill in the blank with appropriate preposition. Do you usually take a bus blank the market? Option A, by. Option B, for. Option C, of. Option D, to. The correct answer is D, to. Question 189. Punctuate the following sentence correctly. Let's meet at Sarah's house after school. Option A. Let's meet at Sarah's house after school. Option B. Let's meet at Sarah's house after school. Option C. Let's meet at Sarah's house after school. Option D. Let's meet at Sarah's house after school. The correct answer is A. Let's meet at Sarah's house after school. Question 190. Punctuate the given sentence correctly. The teacher asked, did you complete your homework? Option A. The teacher asked, did you complete your homework? Option B. The teacher asked, did you complete your homework? Option C. The teacher asked, did you complete your homework? Option D. The teacher asked, did you complete your homework? The correct answer is B. The teacher asked, did you complete your homework? Question 191. After she blanked the stairs, her heart almost gave out from exhaustion. Option A. Has climbed. Option B. Have climbed. Option C. Had climbed. Option D. Was climbing. The correct answer is C. Had climbed. Question 192. Choose the correct sentence according to the rules of subject-verb agreement. Option A. She didn't knew about the surprise party. Option B. She hasn't knew about the surprise party. Option C. She didn't know about the surprise party. Option D. She doesn't knew about the surprise party. The correct answer is C. She didn't know about the surprise party. Question 193. Choose the sentence with the correct tense and sentence structure. Option A. He is going to the market yesterday. Option B. I had been waiting for the bus, and it arrives. Option C. She will finish her homework before she went to bed. Option D. They were playing football when it started to rain. The correct answer is D. They were playing football when it started to rain. Question 194. Choose the correct sentence. Option A. My father was talking to his friend on mobile phone when I fall from the bicycle. Option B. My father is talking to his friend on mobile phone when I fall from the bicycle. Option C. My father was talking to his friend on mobile phone when I fell from the bicycle. Option D. My father was talking to his friend on mobile phone when I am falling from the bicycle. The correct answer is C. My father was talking to his friend on mobile phone when I fell from the bicycle. Question 195. Read the following statements and identify the best cause and effect relation Sarah's productivity at work has significantly decreased over the past month too. Sarah has been experiencing frequent interruptions due to ongoing construction work near her office. Which of the following best describes the cause and effect relationship? Option A. Sarah's decreased productivity is causing the construction work. Option B. The ongoing construction work is causing Sarah's decreased productivity. Option C. Sarah's productivity was already decreasing before the construction work began. Option D. The construction work is unrelated to Sarah's productivity. The correct answer is B. The ongoing construction work is causing Sarah's decreased productivity. Question 196. A store offers a 10% discount on all items. After applying the discount, the price of an item is 450 rupees. What was the original price of the item? Option A. 490 rupees. Option B. 495 rupees. Option C. 500 rupees. Option D. 505 rupees. The correct answer is C. 500 rupees. Question 197. I went 10 m to the east from my house, then turned north and walked another 15 m, and then I turned west and covered 12 m, and then turned south and covered 15 m. How far am I from my house? Option A. 0 meters. Option B. 1 meter. Option C. 2 meters. Option D. 3 meters. The correct answer is C. 2 meters. Question 198. If A greater than B, B greater than C, and D greater than A, then? Option A. B less than D. Option B. A less than C. Option C. B greater than D. Option D. C greater than D. The correct answer is A. B less than D. Question 199. Find out the missing term in the sequence 15, 14, 12, 9. Option A. 5. Option B. 6. Option C. 7. Option D. 8. The correct answer is A. 5. Question 200. All omnivores are herbivores. No herbivores are carnivores. Some carnivores are humans. Which of the following conclusions are true? Conclusions: I. Some humans are carnivores. 2. No carnivores are omnivores. 3. Some omnivores are carnivores. Option A. I and 2. Option B. I and 3. Option C. 2 and 3. Option D. 3. The correct answer is A. I and 2. Paper complete. All 200 questions done. Great work. Comment if any answer felt unclear. Subscribe for daily practice. Share with a friend. See you in the next one.